Okay guys, I need to tell you something as a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored by Supabase. Supabase offers a generous free tier that allows you to start and scale your project up to 50k monthly active users for free. Yes, for free. The free tier includes a 500 megabyte database and 1 gigabyte file storage. If you need more features, they also offer a $25 pro plan, which is an affordable and easy way to get your project started without having to manage your own infrastructure. Additionally, you can always consider self-hosting your Supabase project for free. Starting your next project with Supabase just takes seconds, literally. Within a minute, you can have a Postgres database up and running, and you can easily create your own database structure. Once you have created your tables, you will have instant access to both REST and GraphQL APIs. Supabase also provides a client SDK to help you manage all CRUD operations without hassle. Additionally, you don't need to set up an external S3 storage for your project, as Supabase already includes it and can be aligned with your authorization system. Finally, with Supabase, you can easily build social login and sign up for your app with ease. There are 20 providers such as GitHub, Facebook, Apple, Spotify, and so on. Supabase has one of the best documentations available. It's very detailed and well organized. In Supabase documentation, it's easy to find answers to almost any question you may have, whether it be for a web or mobile project. The documentation also includes many great tutorials, some of which are accompanied by easy to understand video content. If you need support, the Supabase community is there to help. Community members in the Discord channel and on GitHub are responsive and helpful. Additionally, on the paid tier, you can ask your questions via email, and based on my previous experiences, I can attest to their responsiveness. Although there are areas that need improvement, I generally like the developer experience provided by Supabase. I appreciate the user experience of their studio, where we can manage our project and database. Additionally, the Supabase CLI can be used to manage your project. Although it is not yet fully developed, I appreciate the convenience of using a CLI whenever possible. One feature that the CLI offers is generating types directly from our database. As a TypeScript developer, this is a lifesaver. You can generate all types without having to recreate them by hand. When you feed your client SDK with the types generated from the database, you will have type-safe data fetching in your project. Supabase is a highly scalable platform that is built on top of PostgreSQL. And most importantly, with Supabase, you are not locked in to your vendor. As I mentioned, Supabase is built on top of PostgreSQL, one of the most powerful and flexible database management systems. This means that when you use Supabase, you can easily scale your project to meet your needs, taking advantage of all the features that PostgreSQL has to offer. One of the best things about Supabase is that you can optimize your compute to increase the capability of your database. This means that you can adjust the CPU, memory, or the limit of connections based on your specific needs. Additionally, since the Supabase is an open source project, you don't have to worry about vendor lock-in. You can run your Supabase instance anywhere you want, and you can always migrate your data to another service if you decide to do so in the future. This gives you more control over your data and makes it easier to switch to a different service if you need to. Okie dokie, thank you for watching this video guys. I think that I told you everything that I can in 5 minutes to make you started with Supabase. If you decide to go with Supabase, please subscribe my channel because you will find a lot of tutorials around this topic. And if you like this video, please hit the like button to support my channel.